Looking for a business idea, you can start from the comfort of your home. Whether you're on a tight budget or ready to invest a little, these 10 small business ideas are perfect for 2025. No office, no commute, just your skills, creativity, and determination. From handmade products to leveraging technology, I'll cover ideas that fit different skills and budgets. Stay until the end for a bonus tip to get started fast. Print-on-demand store. Start an online store selling custom-designed products like t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, and phone cases. Use platforms like Printify or Printful to handle production and shipping. You only need to upload designs and they take care of the rest. It's profitable because of low upfront costs since you don't carry inventory. You earn a profit margin on each sale. Focus on niche markets like funny quotes, pet lovers, or hobby-themed products. Tools like Canva are great for creating simple designs. Social media management. Manage social media accounts for small businesses, helping them grow their online presence. Tasks include creating content, scheduling posts, responding to comments, and analyzing metrics. Most small businesses don't have time for social media but understand its importance. You can charge $300 to $1,000 per month per client. Get started by offering services to local businesses or freelance on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Tools like Buffer or Hootsuite can help with scheduling. Virtual assistant. Provide remote administrative, technical, or creative support to entrepreneurs or businesses. Tasks can include email management, data entry, calendar organization, or customer service. You can make good money as a virtual assistant because it is flexible work and high demand. Virtual assistants can earn $15 to $50 per hour depending on skills. Start small with basic administrative tasks and specialize later in areas like social media or email marketing. Websites like Zirtual and Fancy Hands help you find clients. Handmade products business. Create and sell handmade goods like candles, jewelry, soap, or resin art. Sell your products on Etsy at local markets or through your own website. People value unique, high-quality handmade items. You can start small with a low investment in materials and have a potential of high returns. Online coaching or tutoring. Teach skills or academic subjects via Zoom, Skype, or other platforms. Share your knowledge in areas like fitness, language, business, or academic tutoring. The e-learning industry is booming. Coaches can charge $50 to $200 per session, depending on their expertise, which makes it a profitable venture to try. Use platforms like Teachable to sell pre-recorded courses or promote your services on LinkedIn and Facebook groups. Content creation. Become a YouTuber, TikTok creator, or blogger and earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. If you would like to know how I got started, I have an ebook in the description box which shares my journey and how much I make. Get it now for 10% off. Choose a niche you're passionate about, for example, fashion, business, cooking, etc. Focus on building an audience by providing consistent and valuable content. Once you have a loyal following, brands will pay for sponsored content, and affiliate marketing adds extra income streams. Start with free tools like CapCut for video editing and keep posting consistently. Dropshipping business. Dropshipping allows you to sell products through an online store without holding inventory. The supplier ships directly to your customers. Use platforms like Shopify and integrate apps like Oberlo to source trending products. It can be substantially profitable because you have no inventory or upfront costs for products. All you need to do is focus on marketing to generate sales. Find trending products through TikTok or AliExpress and use targeted ads on social media to drive traffic to your store. Home bakery. Bake cakes, cookies, or pastries from home and sell them locally or online. Take orders for events like birthdays, weddings, or holidays. Use platforms like Instagram to showcase your work. Homemade baked goods have a personal touch that appeals to customers, and you can set premium prices for quality. Check local food regulations. Focus on a few signature products like themed cakes or dietary-specific treats like vegan or gluten-free. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services online and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique link. Create content that includes product recommendations, for example, YouTube reviews or blog posts. Once your content gains traction, it generates passive income. Commissions can range from 5% to 50% per sale, depending on the product. Focus on affiliate programs like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareSale and promote products you genuinely believe in. Personalized gift business. Create and sell custom items like engraved jewelry, photo books, or personalized mugs. Use platforms like Etsy or start your own Shopify store to sell your creations. Personalized items are always in demand for occasions like weddings, anniversaries, and birthdays. Offer trendy, aesthetic designs and invest in tools like Cricut machines for high-quality customization. If you're still unsure where to start, try combining two ideas like a handmade product business and content creation. You can document your journey and gain two income streams. Which of these business ideas caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to grow your business.